30th January 2016, a monumental day for chess in India. Shardul Gagre came on the stage to play the third round of IIFL Wealth Tournament. His rating was 2499. He was facing his opponent B. Sekar, and his opponent sacrificed a piece for 2 pawns. Shardul took the piece, got a winning position, and reached 2500 without any glitches. We have with us the latest Grandmaster from India, Shardul Gagre. Please tell us, how does it feel to be a Grandmaster?
It feels very great to be Grandmaster, and at a such young age, I feel very proud. I knew that I would become Grandmaster, and I had the strength. And it is great tournament. In Mumbai, I became Grandmaster, so it's very great for me. In Amchi Mumbai, I became my Grandmaster.
So, and basically, tell us something about how it felt. 2499, 1 point away, a draw or a loss would take you down again. What were your feelings before the start of the game? Were you nervous?
Yes, I was very nervous before the start of the game, and it was like 1 point, very near, very close, and I should win somehow. But then I remember what my father said. He said to me, "You should be very cool and play according to the position and not take any pressure. You will become GM very soon in this tournament." So I was very cool and then played my normal chess, and I got winning position.
Wonderful, and that makes you the 42nd Grandmaster from our country. We have with us Praful Zaveri, the organizer of the event. So how does it feel for you to have a Grandmaster? You know, you started off with 1 in the tournament, Swapnil Dopade, and now you have 2.
It is a really defining moment. First of all, congratulations to Shardul. The important thing is, Sagar, is that when we announced the tournament, I received a call from Dr. Gagre, Shardul's father, and showed his keenness to play this event. And I told Dr. Gagre, I'm really sorry that we could not offer conditions being the first year, and it's not a norm tournament. And still he showed his willingness that Shardul would like to play this event, and you know, we are really praying. I feel we were more nervous than Shardul at the start of the day today.
Yeah, and finally he did it. Shardul, tell us something about why you chose this event. You know, you were 2470 just a month ago. You went to Qatar, you played against 2700 Grandmasters, beat Wei Yi, and all these talented guys, Drew with Hu Yifan. You reached 2497, 3 points away. How did you decide on choosing IIFL Wealth Mumbai tournament to complete your GM title?
Well, I think it was quite a risky decision, because as we know that Indian players are very talented, and it can be any day. They can defeat you any day. So it was a risky decision, but also it was kind of challenge that playing in Indian tournaments against tough opponents, I will complete my title, and I did it. So it's great.
Okay, and you did something really special. Whom would you like to thank for this milestone? Who are the people who have been really supportive of your
First of all, I would like to thank my parents. My father, he has done a great sacrifice from last 10 years. He has been coming for tournaments and stopped his profession for me. I would like to first thank them. Then I would like to thank my coaches who supported me all the way and guided me in the right direction. Then I would like to thank my sponsors, ONGC, Firodia Group, and ABIL, and Shirdi Sai Baba Sansthan for their support. And okay, thank you.
Okay, and what is next for you now? You are already a Grandmaster. What's your next aim in chess?
My next aim is to quickly, within 1 year, to become 2600 and be a Super Grandmaster.
Okay, that's and I guess there is something missing there. You wanted to become the...
Yes, sure. There are my long-term goal is to become world champion.
Yes.
But in this process, you have to make some short-term goals. Like we cannot immediately say that within 1 year to become world champion. So some short goals, and then long-term goal is of course to become world champion.
Okay, and if you had to give one advice to all the budding youngsters who look up to you as an idol in chess, what would that be?
I would say that don't be afraid, be very confident, and I will say that if your game is good, you will really become a very strong player. There is no need to afraid.
Okay, and Praful sir, just a few words from you, like what would be your message to everyone out there on today's wonderful achievement by Shardul?
I feel Shardul has taken such a risk, and we saw his courage, and I think that should inspire a lot of kids here. That okay, you can do the impossible and come here. So I would like to first of all, I think this will inspire more players to play this tournament next year, and for both Shardul and Swapnil who came to play our tournament, we are really proud and privileged that they are here. And it would be my endeavor to see that they would be the first who would get conditions for the next year event.
Wonderful. So guys, today is a big occasion for us. I think the only thing that we learn from players like Shardul is that you need to dream big in chess and anything is possible. What Shardul has achieved today is really phenomenal. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.